Yeah, hit the ball.
Where is the ball, Morgan?
Turn around.
Where's the ball? Hit the ball, Peanut. Hit it, hit it. Hit the ball. That's the pictures yesterday. With the little sticks. I saw you pick. Come on, put the ball right here. All right, let's play.
Hi. Are you golfing, Morgan? Wee. Apple?
Where do you see the apple?
I don't see any apples.
Looking at the shades. Hi. Come on, let's go and change diaper, Peanut.
You got stinky diaper.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. And then I can take you to the swing if you want.
Morgan, if you let me change your diaper, I'll give you an Oreo cookie.
Oh, wow, that's the kid's favorite cookie.
What club are you using? Are you smiling at Mommy? Morgan, are you chilling? Are you just chilling? Morgan, say, I'm just chilling. Chilling. Say, I'm just chilling. Oh, good girl. Like a pro.
Wow, you want to do this too? Look. Put this in there.
Morgan, are you just chilling? Are you chilling? Oh, yeah, hit the ball. Woohoo!
Okay, put the ball down and we hit it.
Morgan's outside just playing a little golf. Just chilling. Are you just chilling? Here, Peanut, you ready? Go get it. Hit the ball.
Yay! Hit the ball.
Woo!
Girl.
All right. Good girl.
Say hooray, Morgan.
Hooray! Hooray! Say hooray! Good girl, Morgan.
Easy, easy.
Ooh, you're gonna fall.